Hi, this is Tatiana from VTrust and welcome to V-Star Supply Certification Program. Today we are visiting the factory Winkong Electrical that is situated in Dongguan, China and is specialized in production of electrical accessories. So let's get started and check out the factory. Winkong is a Hong Kong-based company with a factory in Dongguan, South China. They have 50 years of manufacturing and export experience to Europe, with most of their business focusing on the UK market. They produce various products including electrical switches, sockets, and indoor and outdoor lighting. We toured their factory and production line to see the venue that is famous for its high quality. All these products comply with a British standard because factory designs items, produces, and tests them internally. How can the factory guarantee the long life and stable quality of the products? And how does a factory's production of spike lamps look like? We'll take you around their key departments to find out. First, product creation starts here, at the Research and Development Department, where engineers will prepare designs of the product based on the customer's requirements and work out the sample to guarantee a safe, stable structure and good appearance. They also help to solve technical problems as a part of their after-sales service. After the product idea is created, the factory sources different components and raw materials from the suppliers, such as granulated plastic, PCBs, electrical components, metal and plastic shells of the products, and packaging materials. For all incoming material, WK applies incoming quality control based on AQL Level 2, ensuring the details of the raw materials and components and its compliance with the BS standard. Once components are ready, they enter the production line. This production line for outdoor spike lights has a daily output of around 500 pieces. However, in Winkong, there are more than 10 production lines and over 250 workers with a total capacity of thousands of products produced daily. The production of spike lights starts at the injection room, where power cords are mold injected. Then the components for the LED light will be mounted by the SMT machine automatically into a chip and sent to a wave soldering machine for proper solder. After soldering is completed, the workers will weld the chip and power cord together and clean the residue glue on the chip to prevent the whole item from fogging in use. Following that, the workers will press the steel cup, which is produced according to the customer's design, and pass products along for an aging test for 1 hour to make sure that the function is stable. After the installation of the glass and final forming of components, all products are sent to a thorough QC, where high-pot tests is performed, functionality and workmanship of products are checked, and items go through a waterproof test according to IP68. This equipment here is doing the waterproof testing for 100% of products of the whole production. Since these lights are used outdoor, they will have more influence of the rain, and that's why they need to be tested. And this equipment here tests the underwater pressure of 10 meters. All past products will be cleaned, packed, and inspected again according to AQL to allow only qualified products to be shipped to a customer. Winkong Electrical has a very impressive testing center, and we are right in the middle of it. There's different testing equipment to check the product's safety and functionality, conduct ROX and glow wire testing, check the defective items through an X-ray machine, and even conduct the chemical analysis of the products. Their laboratory is accredited with CNES accreditation, allowing them to issue third-party testing reports, which are accepted worldwide. In addition to conducting a factory audit, we have the privilege of having an interview with the factory CEO, William Hung. William, thank you so much for having us here.
It's our pleasure to have you here today.
Hi, William. So we would like to know more a little bit about you and your business. How long you've been in manufacturing?
WK established since 1969 by my grandfather, my father, and my uncle. My grandfather was a professional tools maker, so we start our business with manufacturing multi-tools, and since 1975 We start our own BS products and export to the UK market ourselves. So we have more than 50 years in manufacturing, and we understand the UK market very well.
That's a very long history. You must be very experienced. So what products do you specialize in?
WK specialized in switches and sockets and BS standard extension sockets. For example, we have a new products here. It's our tower extension sockets with 8 BS sockets and 4 USBs. And this pattern is our Brexit limited edition for this year and coming year.
That looks great. So you mentioned the UK market, and what are also other markets that you are exporting to?
70% of WK business go to UK market, and 10% in Germany, 10% in Hong Kong, and the rest goes to Malaysia, Singapore, Middle East. And we focus on UK market because our products are mainly BS 1363 standard. And so, but we are also developing new markets like Middle East, Malaysia, and Singapore.
And you mentioned that all of your products, they are tested here internally, and that you have a laboratory. So all the products are tested for BS standard and any other standards?
We have a laboratory in our factory. It's CNAS accredited. So we test our products here and issue a third-party report, which is acceptable worldwide. And we also taking samples from the assembly line and regularly test them according to the BS 1363 to ensure the quality is acceptable.
I see that quality is your strength. So what are your other advantages in comparison with your competitors?
We emphasize our quality is our main strength because we do manufacturing electrical accessories. So we feel if we have any quality issues, it may turn to the safety issue to the end customer. So in WK, we never compromise in quality, and we also offer good service to our customer. We are a reliable supplier. We understand our customer very well for the UK market because we have 50 years experience in manufacturing. So we can ensuring what we deliver is what the customer required.
That's great. You sound very confident. And speaking about the future goals, so what is your main goal for improvement of your factory within the next couple of years?
UK plans to implement more semi-automation in our production line so that we can reduce our manpower, hence reducing our costs. However, maintaining the same level of feasibilities, and this is our plan with the next couple of years.
That's very ambitious goal. So thank you, William, so much for having us here, and wish you good luck with your business.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
This is the end of our tour to Winkyong Electrical Factory. We got a close-up view of their production line and had the chance to interview William Hong, the factory owner. We've seen several strengths on Winkyong. They have 50 years of manufacturing experience and 15 years of experience in production of electrical accessories, mainly plugs, sockets, switches, and lamps. Their production process is designed to follow the British standard 1363, so WK knows the UK market well and its quality requirements. In addition, Winkyong has their own laboratory, which is accredited by CNAS and is able to test and provide third-party testing reports accepted worldwide. After our audit, we have awarded Winkyong with 4 stars for their impressive performance. To access the full evaluation report for this factory as well as other factories in China, click the link below. Thanks for joining us today on our factory tour. We're excited to continue exploring the manufacturing world with you. Which factory will be next? Hit the like button below and subscribe, and we'll take you with us next time. Bye!